To fix this issue, you need to install the latest graphics card driver and perform a clean installation. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, head over to the official NVIDIA website. If you're using an AMD card, go to the AMD website instead. Once you're on the site, select your exact graphics card model from the list and make sure to choose the correct operating system. For example, if you're using Windows 11, select Windows 11, and likewise for Windows 10. After that, click on Find or Submit to display the latest driver available for your system. Next, download the recommended driver by clicking on the Download button. Once the download is complete, run the .exe file to start the installation process. When the installer launches, agree to the terms and conditions, and then choose the Custom Installation option instead of the default Express one. On the next screen, make sure to check the box that says Perform a clean installation. This ensures that any old or corrupted files are removed and replaced with the latest version. Click Next and allow the installation to finish. After the installation is complete, restart your computer. Once your system is back up, try launching the game or application again. In many cases, this will resolve the error completely. However, if you still see the message, you can usually ignore it and click Play. The game should still launch normally. That's it for today's video. If this helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.